Okay, so boys, this question is a little more visual for us, okay? This one is basically asking how many different blocks can we put? Let me get my marker out here. Let's go with red. How many different balls can we put in these ones without it being in the four corners of a square? So that might sound a bit weird. So I'm going to call these dots that we put inside tokens. Okay. So if we look at the first example here are four tokens. They are forming a square. And the best way to check if it is a square is the distance between these two the same, and these two the same, and these two the same, and these two the same? Yes, that's true. And is it 90 degrees, as in a right angle? So does it look like that perfectly, like it's a little corner of a block? If that is true, then it is a square. So if you look here, it's a slightly different way to do the square. Same distance between them, 90-degree angle in the corner. Here is a kind of a weird abstract way to look at it, but the same distance between all four and a 90-degree angle. All right, so now they're asking, how many different blocks can we put in without it forming a square? Okay, so if you look here, this is a good start I've got here. Okay, I've got these tokens here. They all link up, but they're not a square because you can see this side is further away than that side over there. So that's not a square. If I put one, just double checking, if I put myself there, then I've formed a square over here, and I've formed a square over there, and that doesn't work. All right. So you need to figure how many of those, what's the best pattern you can get with the most tokens in there. All right. I've kind of started you off there, but you're basically going to have to look at it and then look at each token and see if you can form a square with each token. Okay, that's not a square because I'm not filled in there. Okay. That's not a, go away, little thing. There we go. This one's not a square with anything. That one's not a square with anything. Fantastic. And I work my way through and I need to see the most amount of tokens I can fit in there. Okay. Good luck, boys.